The zoom log logs the map details at the current zoom level. We can add the zoom log as a sidebar button from the main menu, Settings, General, and select one of the edges. Here we can select the zoom log. Now the zoom log tool button is located on the bottom of the screen. When we press it and it turns red, then the map details are logged at the current zoom level, which means when we zoom in, the map details do not change. When we remove the zoom log, then the map details change to the zoom levels details again.